What's up guys, today I'm going to be teaching you how to get the new UGC surfboard. This is the easiest UGC I've probably ever gotten. I want to let you guys know there's only a limited quantity left. So if you want to get this item, do it fast. Also join my group, it's in the description. I'll be doing giveaways and different events in this group. So if you can join, that would be great. So let's get started guys. The link for this game is in the description and it will lead you here. Once you're in the game, you're going to simply press play. And once you load in, there's going to be this daily rewards thing. You're going to just press OK to get out of it. It's going to give you a little welcome message right here. Wait till it presses continue. And once you're done pressing continue, you're going to walk over to this little golden circle. And this will basically get your UGC item initiated. You're going to want to press interact with this. And it's a survey. You can fill it out super fast. I just showed you kind of what I did. Make sure the last question is correct because it's going to basically check if you're a bot. So once you're done with the survey, you're going to want to go and just get on this pink rail. Now your main objective is to get these spray paint cans. You're going to want to get about 20 to 100. Sometimes this game glitches out a little bit and can't count it correctly, but that's okay. So I'm gonna speed it up a little bit guys for you. I just walked around this map. I'm picking up these spray paint cans and we're gonna get this UGC really quickly. It's gonna give you this message and you're gonna want to press claim. And mine glitched out a little bit, so it says teleport, but guys, it still works, don't worry. So I'm gonna press teleport now and look, it worked. It's only 0 Robux. This is going to be added to your inventory. It's going to be added to your profile. And this is a little bit what it looks like, guys. I showed you a little bit earlier what it looks like, but this is what it looks like in game. And if you want to copy this avatar, here's the avatar code in Avatar Catalog Creator. Make sure to comment your username on Roblox and why you want Robux, because I'm going to be doing a giveaway for the next video.